quick little hint for Huntington Hill, okay? So first we got to get standard quotas, lower quotas, and upper quotas. So I'm going to do this part really fast because hopefully this is something that you already know how to do, or, you know, I've already shown you how to do at any rate, so you can look at it in another video. So first thing we need to do is add up the total population for all the states. So we're going to do equals, actually maybe I'll just do auto sum. Auto sum. There we go. Total population of the United States. Okay, and then my standard divisor we get by doing the total population. Oh, where'd it go? There we go. Total population divided by the number of seats we're giving out, which is 435. So there's my standard divisor. And then we get standard quotas by dividing each state's population by the standard divisor. So I do equals population divided by standard divisor. And I need dollar signs around the standard divisor because that's got to stay static. Okay, so there's my standard quota. I can drag that down. And yeah, I didn't go down to the total box, right? Because that's going to be a sum, right? It's not a standard quota, so I can auto sum that. It should add up. It should add up to exactly what? 435, the standard quotas. Okay, so that looks like I did it right. Sure. Okay, so we've got standard quotas. To get lower quotas, we just use round down, and then I could type C4, right? Or I could just click on the cell that I want to use. And then I have to do comma 0, enter. And then I can just drag these all down, stop one short of the total. And then I need upper quotas, and this is equals round up the standard quota. So I just click on that cell, comma 0, drag that down. And then the geometric mean is the square root of the product of the lower quota and the upper quota. So, oh, do they? Oh, I think that something funny happens though when you have 0 with the geometric mean command. So I'm going to use the square root. So this is equals square root of this number times this number. So that's my geometric mean. Drag that down. All right, now the Huntington Hill rounding. This is the part that you had trouble with. Okay. So basically what happens is these are your cutoffs. Your geometric mean is your cutoff of if the standard quota is above it, you round up, and if it's below it, you round down. So if the standard quota is smaller than the geometric mean, we round down to the lower quota. And if the standard quota is bigger than the geometric mean, you round up to the upper quota. So we use an if statement. We're going to say equals if, open a parentheses. And then I just click on the cell that you want to use. So I say if the standard quota is less than the geometric mean, I would like to round which way? Down. So if we round down, that would be the lower quota, right? So if the standard quota is less than the geometric mean, give me the lower quota. So you click the lower quota. Otherwise, give me the upper quota. So there's your if statement. So this just says if the standard quota, that's C4, is less than the geometric mean, then give me the lower quota. Okay. Otherwise, meaning it's bigger, give me the upper quota. So in this case, did it do it right? Yep, because 52.59 is bigger than my cutoff of 52.49, so it should round up to 53. So then you can just drag this down. Okay, and then I have to check and see if these add up to 435. And if they do, I'm done. And if they don't, I have to change my divisor, right? Oh, look at that. Adds up to 435. Yeah. So you don't actually have to use a modified divisor. The standard divisor works on the first try here.